From the innovative minds at Tech, global leaders in video stabilization products and technology, comes another innovative brand to enhance the lives of not only photographers, but all outdoor adventurers. Introducing the KiCA Jet Fan 2. With a 101,000 RPM motor, this compact, innovative air blower can push 20 meters per second of air, which packs a serious punch. This innovative air blower can be used for almost unlimited creativity, as you'll see in a second. As you may be able to tell, it is a hot day. As you can see, I'm in a tank top, and I brought my little air conditioner. Yes, you can use this thing to cool you off when the temperature is hot. It actually blows cold air. As you can see, it's very powerful. Just looking at the shirt, pretty far away. And another thing that you can do is use this as insect repellent. Because of the amount of pressure coming out, as you're in an environment like I'm in right now, out in the wilderness, generally speaking, especially wildlife photographers, we're generally out in the wilderness. Landscape photographers hiking through brush to get to an open spot for a beautiful view. This thing does come in handy. You just turn it on, fire it up, and just blow around as you're walking. Keep everything away from you because it really is that powerful. So the uses are almost endless, realistically, especially for your creativity. You can use this as a fan. If you're doing portraits, you can use it to blow your model's hair, so you've got that fluid motion, or if they have a dress or anything like that and you want to get that little tail coming out, right? You can actually direct the air with this. And it's easily pocketable, and you can carry the accessories with you. Different nozzles. Slips into each other, and when you're done, simply stash it in your pocket. Another creative use is, say you want to put your gear down or your bag or anything, and the ground is a bit on the not so clean side. Say there's pebbles and stuff like that, you can easily clear them out. Another use case that is probably not really thought of is, instead of getting one of those large air blowers for doing any kind of gardening or cleaning up patio stones and things like that, you can utilize the KiCA Jet Fan 2. It is actually that powerful. As compact and well built as it is, with the lightweight aluminum frame that can easily be put in your pocket, it is more than powerful enough to be able to do double duty as a pseudo commercial grade air blower. So you would always have the tool you need to do some round the house cleanup of debris that's covering your patio stones and things like that, so you can always make sure everything looks a lot more presentable. As I mentioned, the use cases for the KiCA Jet Fan 2 are almost absolutely endless. So the KiCA Jet Fan 2, probably the most versatile tool that you'll have in your camera bag or in your pocket, because it really is that small. Tons of different uses. As I mentioned, you can inflate mattresses for camping, inflate sports balls, soccer balls, all that stuff. You can deflate them as well, just reversing the inlet on the jet fan. So on the blade side, that would be sucking the air out. Would not recommend doing that, in regards to vacuuming out dust and rocks and stuff like that, because it would damage the blades. But for inflating and deflating, the Jet Fan 2 from KiCA is amazing. And all the other creative elements, clearing out a space for you to put your gear down if it's sandy, as an insect repellent thing, which I'm pretty sure they never even thought in regards to a use case scenario for this, but it does work efficiently. and effectively using it as your own little portable air conditioner when it's really hot outside to keep yourself nice and cool. This is the perfect tool. And you can clean off your own equipment. You want to keep things clean after an outing. All that sand. All right, let's clean this up. Much better. Much better. With the powerful 101,000 RPM brushless motor, which allows for amazing air thrust of up to 20 meters per second. Versatile uses for cleaning, drying, inflating, deflating, and dusting hard to reach areas. Fashionable and durable aviation grade aluminum shell. Very compact and lightweight design for travel and outdoor use. You can throw it in your pocket with all the accessories. This is the greatest air blower that I've personally used, and I've used a lot. Get yours now directly from the KiCA store using coupon code KOBE15 to get 15% off your purchase. You won't be disappointed.